Oh, hi, didn't see you guys there. Yo, today been super busy, so I'm doing the intro. Roll it. Here we are, bringing all the stuff in.
Once I get you guys pulling the wire, I'm gonna cut in here. But basically the ceiling right here, I'm gonna cut a double gang.
Who the fuck is that guy? Dude, is Andre in this? Sorry, new Chris. I have to start over. Rancho Cordova. Check out all that solar.
Once I get you guys pulling the wire, I'm gonna cut in here. But basically the ceiling right here, I'm gonna cut a double gang. Drop the hatch out there. All the wires that I have coming are gonna come to here, straight onto the wall. I'm gonna have that wall mounted 2U thing where the switch mounts to the wall and the patch panel mounts to the wall. Then I'm gonna have wire molding come down to this data and that power. And I got a power cord that's gonna go up to here. And this will be one floor's like network room. And then the basement, the morgue basement is where the switch is, but we don't have to go down there for a while. Every wire we have, you guys will start pulling from here and we'll backfeed it to there. So we'll put them here. We're gonna have one camera just to the right of the hatch, which is gonna look at here and the door, like as wide as I can. Then we're gonna keep going down here to here to here, through here to here to here. This is a solid wall right here. So someone have to be at this hatch. And then this hatch, I got a 6-foot bit. You'll just drill through with this 3/4, drill right through the wall. And then we're gonna have to strip the glow rods from here to pull back out. Then you're gonna have one to the right of this light, so it's not getting the light shine on it. It's gonna go to the ceiling here, looking down. We're gonna do the same thing on the top, just 3 cameras. We got a bunch of others that are outside that we're just gonna swap camera for camera, but I have to find the camera in the basement. I gotta find the Cat 5.
Finally, Ben stopped talking. Yeah, so we're just getting the wires ready. Labeling, making sure all your labels are good so you know what you're pulling where. Hatches, Tony, Andre. Stud finder, they call me a stud finder. Yeah, it's a lot of cable running, a lot of forearm work. We'll make sure all the guys are in the gym fit so they could pull this cable. That's Andre.
He was cool.
So that will mount to the ceiling, clip it on, careful these stupid little screws fall off, because you have to like, for it to go on, you have to like loosen them enough and then they just rattle a little and they fall.
Can I like fast forward through this?
Like around, yeah. So this one's actually the lobby one. This is the closest one.
Working hard or hardly working, am I right? This was a referral from somebody that I think Ben goes to the gym with. So thanks.
We're gonna put all the extra up there. I'm gonna cover this in that black snakeskin stuff right here. Yeah, maybe pop that, get the wire from here to here, see what it looks like, mount that, drill it through, pull it out. So now you can start mounting that bullet. Measure from here to the window, okay? Then you know from how far to go in, and then measure from the floor to the ceiling, so you know how high to go up outside. And then wherever that bullet's gonna land, then you would drill a smaller hole here, shove the longer bit through really slow pop through, pull it out. You know what I mean? Just gonna take you a minute.
This is Darren. Darren came through on the second day, did a bunch of the outdoor stuff, ran some conduit, pulled some cable. Shout out to Darren.
The way these cameras work, Andre, is each one of these cameras has a hard drive in it. There's no NVR. Oh. They record to itself. And all you do is give them internet, and I already add these to his account. So as soon as you plug it into the internet, they come on. You don't have to go in and do IP settings. You don't have to freaking port forward. You don't do nothing. They just come on into his account. I see it, and then I just aim it. This is the license plate reader. This has 30 days of recording. You can buy a 30 day, 60 day, 90 day, and a year's worth of recording. But this is 30 days worth of recording. Full 24 hours, 30 days on this. You have to pay $199 a year per camera to use it. And if you pay that, as long as you pay that per year, the cameras are guaranteed for a decade, 10 years. So if they break, they'll give you a new one for the full 10 years.
Just to segue on that, they got 1, 3, 5, and 10. Obviously, they vary in price, but they will overnight you a new camera for the first 8 years and then the last 2 years. I think they send it ground, but pretty sweet.
I'm gonna plug one in at a time and just tell me when it lights up.
Screws, get the cable. He's gonna patch everything in. He's clipping. He's patching. What's that called? Snakeskin? Or a sock? Cord sock? He's getting it right, getting it tight, making it look nice. Those little tiny baby patch cables. Always clean up, even the bosses cleans up. That's what I'm talking about. Tony fishing.
What I'm gonna do is have you guys fish the 2 last wires out, because we only have 1 camera inside, but I need 2, right? And 2 of them are kind of far from the holes. Yeah. So if I need both of you on the ladders, fish it out. I want to take the template from one, put the silver screws up, take the template over, fish the wire out, terminate, put the silver screws up, and then hang the back one. So that way when I come back, it's already fished out, it's terminated. I just clip it, you know, once that comes on and they're all on. When we go to aim each one, I got a sticker for you to stick on each one. Yep. I'm gonna grab another label maker. I'm gonna need you to aim it down also a little.
I was sweet. It was a veteran's house. I think we did 2 buildings there. This was a referral from some guy Ben goes to the gym with, Alan. So thanks, Alan. Also, if you guys have anything you need done or you got a referral, hit us up. Peace.
Yeah, makeup off.
Makeup off, cancel. That's a cancel. So where I need to be. Come on, get to it, get to it.